Wait, Sarah. Oh, no. Alright. Let's go.
Hey, Braden, wave. You're on the video. Buddy, wave. Buddy.
Okay, B-Man.
Dad, don't take it off. Gosh.
Oh my gosh. You got monkey feet?
Look. What are you gonna do? Penny! Tell us if the water's cold.
I'm not going in. I'm actually got sunscreen on. I've got a cure first.
Actually,
Penny!
here, let's see the cold water. Ready?
Ready?
One,
Hey, don't get the hat wet.
two.
It's the
You
hat.
can get him wet, but not the hat.
Buddy, you're saved by your head.
You can get him wet.
Or just put them in by his feet there.
Don't be careful. Don't itch
I
too
love
far.
throwing kids in. I love throwing adults in.
Penny!
So does Perry, apparently.
In the middle. Look at Penny! Penny!
Penny, yes, yes.
Well, if you want, you
Penny's
can
awake.
put them in. If you want them.
She was curled up in a little ball.
I'm gonna-
She had her
Liam, do you
breakfast. She
wanna-
had a nap.
Liam, do you want to go into the deck? I'm gonna go on this.
Okay, everybody wave for on video. I have to get a little wave. There we go.
Just like the dog. Go. Oh, Liam's doing the queen wave.
Liam, you got to turn this way to
You gotta
wave.
look at Mr. Perry when you wave.
There you go. Okay, Marianne, we need a wave. There we go.
Wave bye, Mr. Perry.
Yeah, wave bye.
Bye bye.